Hey guys, Junior from Turn 1 here. Just wanted to show how we recommend installing our new late model rack and pinion. Before install, please make sure you have read the attached instruction sheet before removing it from your rack and pinion. It contains some crucial information that we don't want you to miss. So when you mount the rack and pinion, the biggest thing you got to remember is the bolt engagement. The bolt engagement can only be about 7/16 of an inch above your mounting plate or your spacer, whichever you're using. A great gauge to use is a 1/2-13 nut. That's about 7/16 of an inch thick, so that'll give you a really good gauge there. The other thing to remember is to pay attention to any interferences, potentially with the input shaft part of the housing or the levelness of your spacers or your mounting plate. Make sure that those are flat so you don't get any twisting or flexing of the housing when you go to bolt that in. Once you get all that squared away, you're going to want to torque your bolts to 45 foot-pounds, and then after that you're ready to rock and roll. We hope this video helped you install your rack and pinion. Please contact us if you have any questions or issues. We're more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.